Hi, Oscar, how are you? Could I work with you today? He just nodded his head, but that wasn't really a nod. I just want to bring that head down just a little bit more. Good. There we go.
Ooh.
So we were able to get that to move quite a bit. You could hear that, right, Erin?
Yeah, I heard too.
We're like, okay, that's your pull. Look at how his head hangs down now, which is good. He got like a little sleepy, a little chewy.
Oh, he says
He
that.
just
I like
pushed
that.
me.